I'm Andrew and I'm the founder of IKAWA. I'm an engineer, but I was studying design at Royal College of Art, and IKAWA started out as my project there. The concept of IKAWA is to connect coffee growers with coffee drinkers, but in order to do that you need to make a machine which makes coffee roasting really easy. My family had lived in Burundi for some of my childhood, and then we came back to the UK and we had a big sack of coffee in the attic. We used to roast coffee in that pan, and I kind of knew that coffee roasting was possible, and it always interested me. IKAWA means coffee in Kirundi, which is a language which they speak in Burundi. I was studying design at Royal College of Art. It's there that I started working on a roaster grinder brewer that worked, but the coffee tasted awful. That quickly iterated to the IKAWA roaster, which is the world's first digital micro roaster. It was literally I had a prototype made out of plastic, a lot of different iterations en route to getting there. When we started, most sample roasters were barrels, and you'd have to put a spoon in and each barrel gave you a different result. I think it's just that aim to make the roasting process really repeatable and controlled and easy, which is kind of the core value of the product. We make IKAWA roasters ourselves here in London. We've got a little team of dedicated people who put them together. What that allows us to do is to change your design as and when we find out things are wrong with it. We try and have a really experimental and also user-centered approach to the design. So we've iterated the design quite a lot. Like if you buy a new IKAWA roaster, it's quite a lot different to the original versions on the inside. I'm probably most proud of the team, but I'm also proud of the product being used around the world and the kind of difference it's made to people's businesses. You know, coffee comes from the most interesting places in the world, and it's sold, all over the place as well. So that's what I find really interesting about it.